I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting credentials and a way to call the endpoint. This is immediate. First, create the provider account and enable API access so you have a key. Once issued, store that key in an environment variable or a secret manager. Do not hardcode it. Then install a lightweight HTTP client like curl, Axios, or requests so you can send requests. These steps let you safely authenticate, and they set up the tooling you need to run the first call. Now you build and send a real request. Construct the full endpoint URL, include required path and query parameters, and decide on method. Get, post, put. Add headers, most importantly authorization with bearer and your key, then set content type. Application/JSON when sending JSON. Once done, await the response and parse JSON into your data structures. Make sure to check HTTP status codes. Treat 200 as success, 4xx as client error, and 5xx as server error so you can retry or surface useful messages. Finally, integrate the call into your flow and harden it. Wrap API calls with timeout and retry strategies, using exponential backoff to avoid hammering the service. Validate inputs before sending, and log requests with sensitive fields masked so you can investigate failures. Once integrated, surface clear, user-friendly errors and fallback behavior so your app stays usable. If something goes wrong, check the request URL, headers, and body first. Often a missing header or malformed JSON is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.